10 Profitable Business Ideas for 2023. Want to start a small business in 2023, but don't know what to pursue? Here are the top 10 profitable business ideas for 2023. Online education and e-learning platforms. The pandemic has accelerated the shift towards online education and e-learning, as traditional in-person learning has become difficult or impossible. This has created a huge demand for virtual education platforms that can offer students and professionals the flexibility to learn on their own schedules and from anywhere. In addition, the increasing availability of high-speed internet and mobile devices means that more people have access to online education than ever before. Online education and e-learning platforms can also benefit from economies of scale, as they can reach a global audience without the need for physical infrastructure. This makes it a good business idea for 2023. Virtual event planning and production. With the ongoing pandemic, the demand for virtual events has skyrocketed in recent months. Companies and organizations have had to pivot to virtual events in order to continue to engage with customers and stakeholders, and many have found that virtual events can be just as effective, if not more so, than in-person events. Virtual event planning and production services can help businesses and organizations to create engaging and interactive virtual events that can reach a global audience. This business can also include creating virtual backgrounds, sound, and lighting for events, virtual event platforms, virtual event marketing, and more. Health and wellness products and services, particularly those related to mental health. The pandemic has had a significant impact on mental health, as people have had to adjust to social isolation, uncertainty, and financial stress. This has led to an increased focus on mental health and wellness, and a growing demand for products and services that can help people to cope with these challenges. This can include mental health apps, virtual therapy, telemedicine, and mindfulness products. This is a good business idea for 2023, as the mental health of the people is a major concern, and the demand for mental health services is expected to grow. Sustainable and eco-friendly products and services. Climate change and environmental degradation have become major global concerns, and more people are looking for ways to reduce their environmental impact. This has led to a growing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products and services, such as renewable energy, electric vehicles, and sustainable food and clothing. This is a good business idea for 2023, as people are becoming more and more conscious about the environment and the need for sustainable living. Delivery and logistics services for e-commerce businesses. The e-commerce industry has been growing rapidly in recent years, and this trend is expected to continue. As more and more people shop online, there is a growing need for efficient and reliable delivery and logistics services. This can include same-day delivery, last-mile delivery, and logistics software and technology. This is a good business idea for 2023, as e-commerce is expected to grow in the future, and the demand for delivery and logistics services will also grow. Virtual reality and augmented reality technology for various industries. Virtual reality and augmented reality technology are becoming increasingly popular and are being used in a wide range of industries, including gaming, entertainment, education, healthcare, and retail. These technologies can help businesses to create immersive and engaging experiences for customers and can be used for training, marketing, and product demonstrations. Virtual reality and augmented reality technology is a good business idea for 2023, as it has a huge potential to grow in various industries. Cloud-based software and services. Cloud computing has become increasingly popular in recent years, as businesses realize the benefits of storing and processing data remotely. Cloud-based software and services can help businesses to save money on its infrastructure, increase collaboration and productivity, and improve data security. This is a good business idea for 2023, as more and more businesses are moving to the cloud to take advantage of its benefits, and it is expected to become a standard for companies of all sizes. Cybersecurity services and products. As more and more businesses move online and rely on digital technologies, the risk of cyber attacks has increased significantly. This has led to a growing demand for cybersecurity services and products that can help businesses to protect their sensitive data and systems. This can include security software, penetration testing, incident response, and threat intelligence. With the increasing use of technology and the internet, cybersecurity is becoming a major concern for businesses, making it a good business idea for 2023. Digital marketing and advertising. The increasing use of digital technology has led to a shift in the way businesses market and advertise their products and services. Digital marketing and advertising can reach a large and targeted audience at a lower cost than traditional methods. This can include social media marketing, search engine optimization, email marketing, and online advertising. As more and more businesses shift their focus to digital platforms, the demand for digital marketing and advertising services is expected to continue to grow, making it a good business idea for 2023. Biotechnology and medical research. Biotechnology and medical research are becoming increasingly important as the world faces major health challenges such as the recent pandemic. Biotechnology can help to develop new drugs, therapies, and diagnostic tools, while medical research can help to improve our understanding of diseases and identify new treatments. Biotechnology and medical research are good business ideas for 2023 as they can help to improve people's lives and also have a big potential for growth. These are just a few examples of potential business ideas for 2023. It's essential to do your own research and consult with experts before starting a new business. Additionally, it is important to consider the market conditions and the competition in the industry before starting a business. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.